Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm so glad to have you here. Today I will be unboxing the box by Fashionsta, so if you would like to see everything I got in my box and my first impressions, please keep watching. So if you've never heard of the box by Fashionsta, it is a monthly beauty subscription and you'll mostly be getting makeup and skincare products. I believe it costs $24.99 a month and it comes at the end of the month, which I love because I get most of my subscriptions at the beginning, so it's kind of nice the way it's spaced out. I haven't opened it yet, it's still sealed, so you'll be getting my first impressions with everything. I have my handy dandy knife. This is the only one my husband will let me use, so let's open it up. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you open it. It comes with a card with all the product information on the back, but we're gonna put that aside for now. It has a little tissue paper. This is what it looks like. It's pretty full, so let's dig in. Okay, so the first thing I see in my box is this solid block. It is a mineral sunscreen. So here is what the packaging looks like. It says, this solid stick glides on smooth and feels invisible, appropriate for oily, dry, normal, and combination skin types, formulated with non-nano minerals, and the safest broad spectrum UVA, UVB protection, SPF 35. It says it's vegan, non-toxic, and cruelty-free, and it has active cannabis in it. After you open it, it has this like protector thing on it. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It smells like lavender. Okay, so I'll be using this for sure. I heard with mineral sunscreens it leaves more of a white cast, but this one doesn't at all. It's just clear. And it smells so good. Oh my gosh, I don't know if you can see that, but that's a good thing if you can't. Also, if you don't know this, typically I think every beauty product has a little container on the back or the box. It has it on the box too. But that container means that this product is good for 12 months after it's opened, I think. Yeah, because it has an expiration date on the bottom. It says July 5th, 2022. After it's open, it's 12 months, and then if you don't choose to open it, you should probably toss it July of 2022. It looks like the little airplane might mean it's travel friendly too, so that's good. And this retails for $26. Okay, so the next thing I see in here is the Habit Multi-Use Cream. It looks like you can use it on your lips, cheeks, and eyes. This is what it looks like out of the packaging. It's really cute. I can't tell what it smells like. It kind of smells like chocolate scented Play-Doh, I think, but not like in a bad way. Okay, so here is what it looks like. I don't know, it's pretty. I saw some people get like a purple color, and that I would not use, but I might use this color. It says it's made for use on lips, cheeks, eyes with buildable coverage from a tint to bold color. It's packed with protective antioxidants and skincare grade ingredients, and it's certified vegan, cruelty, and gluten-free. This is the color Mod Squad. And this retails for $28. This next thing I see is by Fig and Yarrow. It's the Eyebrite Coffee Bean Eye Cream. I like that it has a little pump. Okay, so it took a little while to prime the pump. It's kind of a runny cream, almost like a serum. Okay, I put way too much on my hand. It smells very earthy. I don't know, I'm kind of smelling the chocolate Play-Doh mixed with this, so I probably should have put it on my other hand. But yeah, I think it just smells kind of earthy. It doesn't really have too much of a scent. It just says to dab a small amount under and around your eyes. This little bottle retails for $36. It says ultra light, organic, hydrating cream formulated to renew, protect, and hydrate the delicate eye area, potent antioxidants and cell nourishing botanicals aid in the minimization of superficial fine lines, which I'm gonna need because I just turned 30. That's weird. I thought it would smell kind of like coffee because it says coffee bean eye cream, but that's good. I don't really want my eyes to smell like coffee. Okay, the next thing I pulled out of my box is this base blue ear sponge. It says it flawlessly buffs and blends out heavy-duty makeup formulas like foundation and concealers. It's a cool box. It's just plastic. Okay, and it opens up like this. Oh my gosh, this sponge feels super, super soft. It's really pointed at the top, so I feel like it'll really get in like those tight spots. This will be nice to try out. Obviously, I'm not going to try it right now because I already have makeup on, but that's cool. And it says it retails for $8, so that's pretty standard. Definitely better than $20. Okay, so the next thing I see is this eyeshadow palette by the Beauty Crop. And this palette retails for $24.50. It is the Sungazing Palette. I am not going to open this one up because I have so many palettes already that I'm trying to get through. I'm going to go ahead and put a picture of it up here on the screen so that you can see what it looks like for yourself. It says it's inspired by shades of the sun and it features 12 buttery and highly pigmented shades in 3 different finishes: velvety matte, creamy metallic, and long wearing glitter. So it sounds like it has some pressed glitters in it. It's also certified vegan and cruelty free. I just read this and this is amazing, but this is talc free and it's formulated with jojoba and coconut oil, so that's kind of cool. Most of the products in the box are like really good for you and for your skin. It looks like this is the last thing in my box and it says Moon Slice Moonshine Superfruit Facial Oil. That's a lot. It has like a bunch of black confetti type stuff, so it kind of gets all over the packaging. And this is what it looks like. And it is for all skin types. So this says it is an organic 18 botanical oil blend that is totally pure. It's curated with avocados, apples, watermelons, and everything in between to create a superfruit antioxidant potion that boosts radiance and balances complexion. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. It smells like everything I just read. It's a little bit difficult to get off. Okay, so I don't know if you're interested in what an oil looks like on my hand because you can't really see anything, but that's what it looks like. And it does smell really good. I don't like oils typically because I feel like it clogs my pores and I don't know, living in Texas where it's super, super humid, it just doesn't do great things for my skin, so I typically stay away from oils, but I don't know, I might have to use this one. It smells so good. If you don't like fragrances on your face, you probably wouldn't like this product because it does smell pretty strong, but I don't know, I just think it smells so good. It smells like a fruity lip gloss or something. It'll be interesting to see how this dries down because it actually looks like it's drying pretty well. I don't like how serums make my face feel oily. I don't like that feeling. It definitely doesn't feel like sticky or anything like that. So I think I'm going to try this the next time I wash my face because it smells incredible. The very first ingredient is coconut MCT oil and then moringa oil. If you haven't heard of moringa oil, it's supposed to be like amazing. I actually tried to grow some moringa trees in my backyard, but it did not work out very well, unfortunately, because I'd really like to have them. So this also has avocado oil, which it says that in here, and hemp oil. It looks like this is packed with tons of good stuff. I don't know if you'll be able to read this, but that's what the back of the bottle looks like. So if you're interested in looking at the ingredients, definitely screenshot that so you can see everything that's in it because it has a ton of stuff. So this retails for $25. I don't feel like that's very expensive at all considering it's got so much good stuff in it. I'll have to see how this one works out and maybe I will update you on Instagram. If you don't follow me over there, you definitely should. I post a lot of fashion inspiration and different sales that are going on, and if you like beauty product reviews, I can do that over there as well. So that is everything that I got in my box this month. My box retailed for $147.50. I feel like that's a really good value for $25 considering you got your money back with this. But if you don't feel like you could use everything in the box, you can always gift these items. They make great gifts. I will definitely be getting my money's worth out of this box because I can see myself using all of these products. Even the eyeshadow palette I would probably use if I didn't have so many open already. So please let me know down below if you get this box every month and if you liked it or didn't like it. Let me know what you got in your box, and if you are considering subscribing to the box by Fashionsta, I will link it below. And if you got any value out of this unboxing, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to see more of unboxings like this or other fashion, style, beauty related content, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you back here and become part of my little family here on YouTube. I also have a lot of other content that I have planned that I can't wait to share with you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you in the next one. Bye!